How to fix photos getting blurry on WhatsApp status. Let's get started. First up, you will need to update your WhatsApp to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name WhatsApp and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, launch it. You will land to the chat section. Now open any of the conversation. Now you have to send the photo or video that you want to upload in your WhatsApp to anybody. So go ahead and click on this plus icon. Click on the option of photos. Then select the picture or video that you want to upload in your WhatsApp status. Once you choose the video, at the top you'll find this option of SD. Click on it. Then check in for the option of SD quality and then send it. You have just sent this video in the SD quality. After you have sent the picture or video that you want to upload in the WhatsApp status, press and hold on the picture or video, click on forward. Click on this share icon. Now at the very top, you'll find the option of My Status. Check in for that option. Then click on forward. And just for that, your problem will be fixed. Now the photo or video in your WhatsApp status won't be blurred. You can go and check. So you can see that it has been uploaded in the SD quality. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to fix photos getting blurry on WhatsApp status. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.